Are you ready to meet the biggest small Class A RV? Hi, it's Steve, and this is the 2026 Vegas 28.1. Brand new in the Vegas lineup. This baby right here behind me comes in at 30 feet, 3 inches in length. And as we go through the video, I'll talk about the benefits of a big, small Class A. This is an awesome layout inside. North to south queen bed, nice large split bath. You can sleep up to 5 in here depending on how you option it out. And because this is a Class A built on a Class C chassis, it's easy to drive and it's easy to set up, and that's what we're gonna do first. So let's talk about the engine and the drive and the chassis. So this is a Ford E-Series chassis, the same chassis that a lot of Class Cs are built on. One thing you'll notice though is nice, easy access to your living area. While we're up here, before we set up camp, I want to show you just how much room you have in here with the slide wall in. I can get up from here, I can move back, sit at the dinette. I can get into the kitchen, nice split bath, and it's a north-south queen bed. So if you are somewhere where you cannot put your wall out or you just don't feel like it, if you're in a store or a parking lot, you don't have to, and you can still access everything that you need. Getting to camp is half the fun though, because this drive is great. You have this great panoramic windshield, see the view everywhere you go. Way to take in the scenery up there. And you also have privacy curtains right here that will slide around, and you have a power shade down here that you can put down. Real quick, want to touch on a couple of features up here while we're sitting here. Heated remote mirrors, fog lights, emergency start button, thumb pad on the steering wheel here, trip meters, maintenance reminders, all of that stuff you need to keep an eye on. Cruise control here. Thumb pad here is tied into this massive 14-inch infotainment center that you can adjust however you want, so you take that glare off on your drive. The camera button here will pull up your backup or side view cameras at any point during the drive and show up right here. This is awesome, not only because it's massive and a nice display, but it shows you everything you need for a great drive, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your radio, Sirius XM, so no guessing what you want. You just look at, but it's like ordering at a restaurant where you point to the menu and say, I'll have that. Just point what you need to and it will pull up for you. Down below, traction control, night shade. You can start your generator from here. Cabin lights, some 12-volt plugs, HVAC, and then if you're gonna connect your CarPlay or your Android Auto, that plugs in down here. Flip out dash workstation for the passenger. There are plugs down below. You'll need to have your generator on for that. Runs off of gas or propane, 4,000 watt. We'll show you how to fire that up. And that's it, right? So you're set up. These seats are swivel around. Now you want to put the wall out. So let's do that. And as that goes out, we are going to talk about Rapid Camp Plus. It's a great way to do it while we're here. Everything that you could want on the home screen, from your climate, your lights, motors, that controls the slides and the awnings and the optional stab jacks, tanks, and energy. So tank levels, energy, that's going to be, we'll show you when we get there, like your generator and so on and so forth. Over here, your water pump, tank heaters, slides. This is just where we controlled everything. And you see we have our stabilizer jacks right there. Climate control right there. We have the AC on right now, 15,000 BTU AC. It is oh so nice and vented. All your lights. The lightning bolt pulls up your battery voltage, your propane tank. You can set your auto gen start from here. Set the triggers you need to make it work for you. Vents and fans, and then the settings is how you will control the app. That is it. It is super sweet. I'm going to charge my phone right here on the wireless charger in the net. We are set up. I can turn the engine off, and now we are living in our 28.1. So let's have a seat in these comfy theater seats. So in this configuration, you're going to have sleeping in the bed, you're going to have sleeping in the dinette, and if you option in the over-the-cab bunk, you're going to have sleeping up there, a nice little ladder. Put that down with Rapid Camp Plus, attach the ladder, and now you have a nice bunk. Now, if you don't need the extra sleeping up there, you don't have to have the bunk, but if you want maximum sleeping, then option to the bunk, and then option in the sofa here that is going to give you sleeping here. Either way, comfortable seats. You can't go wrong with either. Depends on how you want to use your 28.1. These tables are a great addition. You can just swing those out of the way, get some work done. Maybe you have something connected to the smart TV, right? You're gaming, you're a gamer. Well, with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender on board, the smart TV is now anything you want it to be. Stream, play games, whatever. Maybe get a little work done on your tablet, and then put up the feet, kick back, and enjoy the show. So great seating over here at the theater seats. Let's talk about your dinette. We have a little bit of storage down here. And then over here, seatbelts for the ride. Child safety tether built in, cup holders. The phone is on the wireless charger right here. Gotta love the Dream Dinette. It's so easy to make into a bed as well. Underneath, you just flip the handle and then you push down and then you move your cushions, and now you have a bed. Inside, 82 inches of ceiling height, beautiful light cabinets with tons and tons of storage throughout. We will open these and show you just how much stuff you can fit inside, especially when we head over to the kitchen. We have a large cabinet up here you can use as a pantry, tons of storage down below, drawers, 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave, sink with the pull-down sprayer. And what's great about this kitchen layout here, which you'll really appreciate when you are on the road, is, you know, you fit the coffee maker in there, because sometimes in, you know, smaller units, you don't have the kitchen space. In here, you do. Again, this is the biggest small Class A, so we're maximizing space on this awesome motorhome. Pop-up outlet, 110s, USB-A, USB-C, so everything you need right there. And flip-up countertop extension. What's awesome about this is you can have this up and not block any movement as you move back and forth throughout the cabin. Now, you don't want this out when you have the wall in. Keep that down, otherwise good to go. Right over to our fridge. Nice 12-volt fridge, large fridge up top, freezer down below, plenty of leftovers can fit in there, even a nice little cabinet up top. So again, a ton of storage everywhere you happen to be in your 28.1. Then we get back into our midship bath. Shower over here, glass door. There's a skylight in here as well, so you can see plenty of headroom, right? I can stand in here comfortably. That's about head level, so I can wash my face when I get all dirty from a great adventure. And then right over here into our bathroom, we have our toilet right here, porcelain toilet, lots of counter space, medicine cabinet, storage down below, tankless hot water. This is a Suburban water heater, so this is going to give you a nice endless supply of hot water when you are set up at camp. And it has a number of nice safety features built in. If it senses anything has gone awry, if strange things are afoot, with the Suburban water heater, it will automatically shut off the propane. If you travel with children, there is scald protection on there as well. So really a nice, safe, convenient. You'll appreciate the way that this works. Then over here, flush modes for the toilet, from eco to normal to empty. So push button right there, real easy to take care of your plumbing. We'll show you when we go outside. You just kind of hook and go, drain your tanks when you need to. Couldn't be easier. And then as we head into the back here, nice north to south queen bed. That's one of the other great features of this 28.1 is you can access this bed with that slide in. Plenty of room back here. There's a smart TV, there's a vent fan, nice large windows that allow a lot of natural light in. They also open awning style, so you can just open these up and get a nice cross breeze through here. We have the awning out right now. We'll show you when we set up camp why that's just a great feature to have. One touch and just a lot of shade. Closets back here, one here, another closet over here. The leg for the table up front stores in here. Everything else stores right here. Right under here, you lift this up, and then there are two tables that go up front. We have one back here. I set one up, and then the pedestal table, the ladder for the bunk. So a little bit of secret storage back there. When you want super secret storage, double secret storage, You have some shelves back here with 110s, 12-volt, wireless charging pad, push button lights right up here, more storage here, a little switch there for the cabinet light right up above, vents for the AC, so it's going to stay nice and cool. Then over on the nightstand, 110, you have wireless charging there, nice and large, plenty of room to move about your 28.1 and plenty of room outside. This 28.1 has the most storage in the Vegas lineup, so we're going to open all the bays, set up camp, and show you why you'll appreciate the big small Class A. As we do our exterior tour here, we're going to start up front so you can get a nice look at that massive panoramic windshield, and that's one of the things that really separates this small Class A from a Class C. If you are a numbers person, you're gonna love this, okay? Because you're looking at it and you're saying, okay, you said it's 30 feet, 3 inches in length. How does this compare to a full-size Class A or a Class C of similar proportions, all right? So let's say we have a Class A and a Class C that are about the same length. So from a width standpoint, let's talk about that first. This right here, 94 inches wide. A Class C coming in at 99. So this is going to be a little more maneuverable, especially when you are driving in and out of parks. And as for low-hanging branches, full-size Class A on an F53 is going to be just over 12 feet high. This comes in at 11, which is the same height as a traditional Class C of similar proportions. So pretty cool stuff. Just very maneuverable and gorgeous too, right? This is our Blackjack edition. Beautiful paint. There's our integrated cameras right here, right? I want to point those out. Blacked out wheels. It's a good look, and it has all the storage you need. Just over 75 cubic feet of storage on this 28.1. This is the most storage in the Vegas lineup. Little storage bay right here. Each bay has its own light. You can control that from Rapid Camp Plus, and they're made out of a nice, durable rotocast material, so you can hose these out after your trip. No carpet inside. It's not gonna get base stank, right? No mold, no mildew, just easy to wipe out and go. Another feature I really like about this big, small Class A right here, and this all has to do with the upfit. Notice no power step that comes out. And that's in part because we use the expert engineer team at MORryde to help to create the foundation for this 28.1. When we get it in, it is nothing more than really just a steering wheel, a couple of frame rails, the engine and the transmission. And then our engineers team up with the experts at MORryde and say, hey, we are building a 28.1 and we need it to be like this. We need the generator over here. We need the water tank over here because we want it balanced. We want it easy to drive. We want proper weight distribution, right? They all come in, and then we build that, and then we lay out steel I-beams that run from wall to wall. So you're gonna have a nice rock solid foundation for your home that is perfectly balanced. Then when we get that all in, we have to build this baby on that structure. So this is going to be vacuum bonded and laminated sidewalls, roof, and floor. We have block foam insulation with aluminum cage construction, and the wall from this 28.1 just isn't sitting in a sidewall storeroom somewhere. No, we specifically build it for the 28.1 so everything lines up perfectly. Even the slide on the other side comes out of that piece of fiberglass, so everything fits up nice and squared and you can enjoy your time away. As we move on down, right here, little storage bay, 110s, so you can plug in a blender when you want some drinks. Right here, another storage bay, tons of storage on here. A little solar port right there. Comes standard with 100 watts of solar charging. You can monitor that from Rapid Camp Plus. If you want more solar, you can upgrade by plugging in a few more panels right there. Then we get into a nice spray hose right here, so you can hook this up, plug that in, and now when you're back from camp, you can just wash off whatever you need. Maybe you want to rinse out the bays. Maybe you want to wash your hands before you plug in your griddle or grill right there, exterior propane connection, so you can barbecue wherever you happen to be, and don't worry about not being able to bring it with you, because check this storage out. Massive pass-through storage on this. You can get there through here. You can open the bay here, and I'm gonna open the bay on this side as well. So tons of storage in this 28.1. Load it however is convenient for you. While we're out back, ladder right here. Nice steel bumper, one-piece fiberglass upper cap. This is going to be the exhaust for your tankless water heater. What's nice is having it back here. It's out of the way because if you have the water heater on, gonna get hot. You don't want anybody to get burned right here. It's just tucked out of the way. Gonna close this bay so we can go around the business end. Everything is convenient and laid out. You're not searching for keys and fumbling in the dark to hook up everything you need. It's right here. From your fresh water connection, from your tank flush, your city water connection, exterior shower with hot and cold so someone can be rinsing off over there, then you can come over here and get the warm water. Make the kids go over there. You use the warm water because it's your 28.1. Propane is right there. You need that on if you are going to outdoor barbecue. You also need it for the hot water. You need it for the furnace. 30 amp shore power cord right here. Right here, cable. If the campsite offers cable, you're gonna plug in right there. Fuel tank right there, 55 gallons of gas. Another large bay here. This is nothing more than your tanks, and that leads us right here into our termination bay. Gray handle, black handle. You can connect your hose and then you can lock that and come out and drain it when you need. This is a slide wall I was talking about. Notice the nice frameless windows. Then up top, a slide topper because of the precision. You want to keep this baby smooth, right? So the slide topper is going to protect the top portion of that slide from, sticks and leaves and any of that sky garbage that happens to fall down when you are at camp. Then we get right back around here, another bay, and then that leads us right back up front to this beautiful Vegas 28.1. It is the biggest small Class A that is ready to travel the world with you. So why not get that MSRP and build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.